I'm here in city center, Richmond, Virginia. Now, every major city has got a downtown like this. And what will you find there? Well, most likely a deli. You know the one, you go there and you get your coffee and your muffin. But with me and Triple D, I want it handmade, I want it scratch made, I want that family feel, and I hear this is just the joint. Pop's Market on Grace.
Walking in, we got Cuban, Reuben.
We love Pops. Very flavorful.
Scrambled's getting hot.
You can find the classics here. You can find new things here.
Seared scallop with saffron risotto.
You could literally come here and eat 3 meals every day.
That's because this is no one-hit wonder.
We saw a need for the deli, a bakery, and dinner as well. Hanger steak, gnocchi hash.
The hanger steak's really popular.
The gnocchi's like little pillows of heaven.
A bang for your buck, you're getting a good deal.
Gonna rice these potatoes.
If you want to get really light, fluffy mashed potatoes or gnocchi, this is the way to do it. With some whole eggs,
Salt it.
flour. And as little as you can mess with this, the better. Gorgeous.
And I'm doing about the top side of your pinky.
When I tell you light and delicate, barely holding together. We drop these in the salted water.
2 to 3 minutes until they float.
What are we on to?
This is gonna be the sauce for the steak. Red wine,
Some demi paste.
balsamic, and honey.
Reduce.
Finish the sauce with some butter.
All right, chef, let's get into it.
This is a roasted garlic oil.
That pan's smoking. Salt and pepper. Nice
Please.
little hanger steak.
We're gonna go in with the gnocchi,
And you're giving it a hard sear and then just melts. It's pillowy on the inside.
creminis, and some medium white, shallot, a little garlic, and now we're going to the broil. Good colors. Add some arugula.
What time do you get here?
6:30 in the morning.
What time do you leave?
10:30 at night.
You're an animal.
We got our sauce, the gnocchi. Slice up the steak, go right on top of that. A little olive oil.
For a lot of families, this looks more like a Thanksgiving Day platter. Here at Pop's, though, they just call it one meal. That's dangerous. I'm glad I don't live in this town. That's how I like my gnocchi done. When it's just boiled, it's like missing the next chapter.
Yeah.
See that sear? This is definitely nap food. But I'm gonna tell you what, this is outstanding. Well done, brother.
Thanks, sir.
Well done.